kept the bases clean in Baltimore, and so did their super third baseman, who swept up everything in sight. Anything hit to third from 1958 to 1977 was scooped up by one of the great defensive artists in baseball history. The Manville Challenge: who was the man they called the human vacuum cleaner?
As you know, the people of Manville are striving to be America's best supplier. Best supplier of what? Of forest products like paper, all kinds of paper. To do it, each year Manville plants 14 million of these little trees. Manville also makes the special insulations that keep it quiet inside cars. And who keeps America's homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer? Manville. 21,000 people with one goal: to be America's best supplier of products like these. That's Manville.
Brooks Robinson, Baltimore's human vacuum cleaner, the best third baseman in baseball from 1958 to 1977. His fielding was nothing short of phenomenal, and Robinson could hit. His .429 batting average in the 1970 World Series led the Orioles to a 5-game rout over Cincinnati. Brooks Robinson of Baltimore, one of baseball's best.